Is it time to buy or sell Ford stock? In this video, we will explore Ford in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 6th of February, 2025, and now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 6th of February, 2025, our system has ranked Ford as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 5.14. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which typically presents a good opportunity for buyers. Should the lower trend floor of $9.10 be breached, it will likely signal an accelerated decline. The existing 3-month trend indicates a possible decrease of approximately 12.29% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from a decline of 13.76% to a decrease of 3.91%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it forecasts a decline of 22.52% over the next year, with potential returns falling between a drop of 32.10% and a decrease of 9.66%. This suggests a future price range of $6.29 to $8.37 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Ford includes the headline: Ford stock price fell by more than 7.49% Thursday, closing at $9.26. The Ford stock price decreased by 7.49% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 6th of February, 2025, moving from $10.01 to $9.26. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 4.10%, with a low of $9.26 and a high of $9.64. The price has declined on 7 out of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall drop of 8.86% during this period. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day by 91 million shares, even as prices fell. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the upcoming days. In total, 209 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $1.94 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $14.85, while the lowest price was $9.26. Currently, the price stands 37.64%, or $5.59, below the 52-week high, and 64.21%, or $16.61, below the all-time high, which occurred on January 13, 2022, when the price peaked at $25.87. Ford Motor Company is facing significant challenges as it approaches the year 2025. Analysts have raised concerns regarding the company's recent earnings report and future guidance. While Ford reported stronger than expected results for the fourth quarter, its projections for the upcoming year have been disappointing. The company estimates earnings before interest and taxes, or EBIT, will fall between $7 billion and $8.5 billion, alongside adjusted free cash flow expectations ranging from $3.5 billion to $4.5 billion. Adding to these difficulties, Ford's electric vehicle division has reportedly incurred losses exceeding $5 billion, casting doubt on the sustainability of its electric vehicle strategy amid escalating competition from rivals such as Tesla and Rivian. CEO Jim Farley emphasized the potential effects of proposed tariffs on imports, which he believes could disadvantage U.S. manufacturers and further obscure the company's outlook. In the short term, these factors are likely to exert downward pressure on Ford's stock as investor sentiment becomes increasingly cautious. The subdued guidance and ongoing losses in the electric vehicle segment indicate not only operational hurdles, but also a possible delay in adapting to market changes. Looking ahead, unless Ford can effectively tackle these challenges, including the implications of tariffs and the profitability of its electric vehicle offerings, its stock may continue to face difficulties. Investors are encouraged to closely monitor these developments, as they could significantly reshape Ford's competitive position and financial trajectory within the automotive industry. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 5th of February, 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned for rating of sector perform with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 5th of February, 2025, Wolfe Research rated F as underperform and issued a downgrade. On Wednesday, the 5th of February, 2025, Morgan Stanley rated F with an equal weight classification and issued a downgrade. On Wednesday, the 5th of February, 2025, Goldman Sachs assigned F a buy rating and provided an upgrade. On Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, RBC Capital rated F as perform and gave it a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Ford stock an overall neutral rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as sell, while the price-to-book ratio is considered neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have issued a sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Ford. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Ford stock indicates sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, leading to a more negative outlook. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at levels just below $10. A break above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 21st of January, 2025, resulting in a decline of approximately 11.22%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is an active sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased while prices fell, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 13 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average points to a sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has shown a buy signal from 11 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 47 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 34 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Ford. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions are unfavorable, the stock may experience significant declines in the upcoming days. Typically, this stock is traded at a substantial volume, and with only minor daily fluctuations, the risk is perceived to be low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 380 cents, which is 4.1% between its highest and lowest points. In the last week, it has exhibited an average daily volatility of 3.71%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Ford, let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the P/E ratio. This important ratio assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low P/E ratio might indicate diminished expectations for the company's future, or suggest that the stock is undervalued, pointing to a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 22nd of April, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Ford. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Ford is at $9.88. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration point for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Ford, based on various analyst sources, is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 13th of January, 2025, Ashwani Kumar Galhotra conducted an insider purchase of 154,479 shares of Ford stock units. On the same date, Stephen P. Crowley executed an insider purchase of 360,453 shares of Ford stock units. On the 11th of December, 2024, Henry Ford III performed an insider purchase of 3,446 shares of Class B stock with a par value of 1 cent. On that same day, Henry Ford III also conducted an insider sale of 10,338 shares of Class B stock with a par value of 1 cent. Additionally, on the 11th of December, 2024, he made another insider purchase of 20,676 shares of Class B stock with a par value of 1 cent. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 30.375. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,259,775 shares and sold 1,222,857 shares in the last 100 trades. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Ford stock a good buy? Currently, Ford exhibits several negative indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a strong sell rating. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 7th of February, we expect Ford to open at approximately 127 thousandths of a dollar and begin trading at $9.39. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.